According to a report published in the Hindu newspaper dated 3rd October 2015, 3rd October 2015, same year, last year, few months back, 3rd October 2015, the Hindu newspaper. It was on the gun culture in America. Gun culture in America is what is President Obama shouting in his last days as president. He says there should be some control on the licenses issued for the gun. Some way you should control it. You know why? So the report says from 2003 to 2015, the Americans, by firing guns at each other, I'm not talking about terrorists, I'm not talking Muslims, I'm talking about American citizens who hold the gun easily in their market. See, in India, if you want a gun, you have to apply for a license. Like you go to buy guns for the children, those guns with which the children play, the toy guns. In America, real guns you can purchase without a license. Bullets you can get without license. So the report says, 3rd October 2015, the Hindu newspaper, the report says, from 2003 to 2014 or 2015, how many people were killed by Americans themselves? 3,15,000 people. 315,000 people were killed by the guns they fired at each other. And in the same period, people who died because of Muslim terrorism or Islamic terrorism, only 313. Who are greater terrorists? Which is greater global terrorism? Your supply of firearms, your supply of guns without license is a greater threat to the Americans than the Muslim terrorists on their soil. Only 313 killed because of Islamic terrorism. But because of their gun culture, 3,15,000 people killed.